Hey, Akil!
Yeah.
Wow, it feels so hot in here. Don't you have an air conditioner?
No, I don't. Exit.
Really?
I was thinking about getting one, but I don't know what type to choose. Do you guys know about air conditioning?
Yeah, I have heard a bit about them. So, what types are you considering?
I was thinking about residential air conditioning. I've heard it can really help to cool down the room like this.
That sounds good, but what about the refrigerant it use?
Great question. Most residential air conditioner use refrigerant like R410A. It's common choice because it's efficient and doesn't harm ozone layers as much as older refrigerant.
How does air conditioner actually work?
So here's how it operates. The air conditioner takes in warm air from the room and passes it over coils that contains refrigerants. These refrigerants absorb the heat and evaporates. Then it compresses and sent back to the coil, releasing the heat outside. This cycle continues, cooling down the room.
That sounds pretty cool, but I've heard refrigerant can be harmful if they leak. Is that true?
Absolutely. If refrigerant leak into the atmosphere, they can contribute to global warming and damage the ozone layer. That's why it's super important to recover and recycle refrigerants when servicing or disposing of air conditioning systems.
So, what involved in recovering and recycling refrigerants?
When a technician services an air conditioning unit, they should use a recovery machine to remove the refrigerant safely. The refrigerant can then be purified and reused instead of being released into the environment. It really helps minimize environmental damage.
That makes a lot of sense. It's not just about cooling the room, it's also about protecting our planet.
Exactly. By recovering and recycling refrigerant, we can ensure that our cooling systems are not only efficient but also environmentally friendly.
So, if I decide to get an air conditioner, I will make sure to choose a responsible technician who recycle refrigerant. Thanks for the info, guys.
No problem, we are glad we could help. Let's cool off in this room somehow.
Yeah, maybe we should get some fans. See you next time.
Alright.
Okay.
Bye, Kim.
Alright.